It is officially New Year's Eve. It is 4 o'clock on Thursday the 31st of December. And I have a beverage. And we're gonna get ready to celebrate the new year. I know like professional beauty YouTubers would pre-film this and upload it on New Year's Eve, but I'm well and truly burnt out. So we're just gonna film this casually as I get ready for my New Year's celebrations. Originally I wanted to go in with the Orange You Glad palette from Colourpop, but I am wearing a blue dress, so we're gonna play with one of the new Colourpop palettes. This is the On Cloud Blue, and we're gonna get glam. We're gonna use some glitter, get all glitzy. All right, base. I want to do, let's do brows first actually, which I'm just quickly gonna do a bit of my Benefit Brow Setter and my brow pomade. I'm literally out of breath right now because I just finished work at, oh my god, it was an hour ago. I had to work today and I rushed home and I just had a shower. I don't really need to rush my makeup though, like I have heaps of time, but when I'm filming it usually takes 10 times longer to do my makeup because I just talk too much shit, you know? New Year's Eve was looking up for us Melburnians because for a little while there we had no cases in Victoria because we had such a strict lockdown. But unfortunately we didn't close our borders to the other states, which I wish we did because other states closed their borders to us when we had a high amount of cases. So they've put the restrictions up, and luckily though we can still do things, we just can only have 15 people, which I don't even think I have 15 friends, so like that's fine. And one of my friends is just having a get together at her house, and originally I had work tomorrow but my shift got cancelled, so we're gonna get sloshed. Limecrime Bushy brow pen. Okay, for primer, Benefit the Porefessional Hydrating Primer. I love this. It takes me back because it smells like the original Porefessional and I remember those days, but it's so much nicer than that one. It just smooths everything out, but it never pills up. Now, looking at my skin, I think I need some full coverage and maybe something a little bit more mattifying because it's a bit hot, it's a little bit humid. So I'm gonna use this foundation here. It is the Tarte Face Tape Foundation, which is not my favorite because it's very full coverage, but I think that we will be able to make it work tonight for the desired look that I want to achieve. I'm gonna add my Luma highlighting stick in Cashmere Casbah because this is a really good hydrating highlighting cream. So I think it's gonna help the Shape Tape foundation to blend a bit better. And it's also gonna give it a little bit more of like a luminous finish because the few times that I've used this, it does have quite a dry formula, so it's a little bit hard to spread. And I like to slowly build this up because it dries down pretty quickly. But this color, my sister literally gave it to me because she got the wrong shade. This is 29 Neutral Light Medium. It is like my skin tone. I wish that I liked the finish of this foundation more because it is my perfect match. I just don't like this foundation that much because it does accentuate texture. Anyways, we're gonna leave it at that and we're going to use a setting spray. This one's by NYX in the Bear With Me range. I don't really like it because it's really alcohol based, like you can kind of feel the alcohol drying out your skin. But for today, I want things to last, so like maybe that'll be a good thing. A little bit of Huda Tantour just because I am tan currently. Okay, so I went ahead and primed my eyes with my e.l.f. concealer, the Camo Concealer. I'm gonna go with my little e.l.f. sticky tape things. I don't know what to call it. It's like little band-aid material, and I'm just gonna cut that through the center because I plan on doing a massive cut crease, and I love using these because you can be really lazy and still get a really good cut crease. I think I'm literally just going to use these two matte shades here. I don't want to go too bright. And then that glitter in the middle, maybe. We'll find out. That one, which is called Bright Eyed, and just start blending that above my crease so we can build this bitch. And then I'm gonna take this navy blue called True Blue. Pretty bogan review, Colourpop. And I'm using the same brush, but I'm gonna apply that a little bit more precisely right into the crease because I want it to be really dark right where we cut it. I don't feel like these eyeshadows are blending as nicely as I want them to. Like, they're looking a little bit wishy-washy, dare I say. I'm just gonna take a brush with no product just to try and blur those edges a little bit. I do not want to look wishy-washy on New Year's Eve. I don't have any cotton tips, so I'm just going to take my white and then just go in with that same concealer from e.l.f. to cut my crease. And I'm going to use this little brush. This is the Morphe M421. Which is gorgeous, and I bought this for cut creases specifically. Just gonna transfer that, but it's actually not spreading as well as I would like it to. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of my Covergirl one, which this is the True Blend Undercover, and this is a great concealer for cut creases. Quickly set that with powder so I don't get any creasing. And that's the best we're gonna get. We are gonna add a smoky liner before we peel these off. And I'm just gonna use the same two colors that we used in the crease. So it's time for the satisfying peel. Are we ready? I hope it's satisfying. Just ignore the fallout situation. This side. Ooh, obsessed. Okay, let's conceal the rest of this face. Now, this e.l.f. concealer is really bright for me, so I don't want to do too much. I might mix it actually with another concealer, and I'm just gonna blend it out with this sponge. This is a new sponge that I got from Spectrum. So far so good. Ah, it already has a little slit in it. Don't know how that happened. You know what? That's gonna be my highlighting concealer, but for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use the Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline because this one's closer to my skin tone, and I do want to build up some coverage because I have a lot of red spots and blemishes at the moment, and to be honest, I'm just not here for it today. It's not gonna complement my look. I'm so used to like having really big concealer ones that something like this feels so small, when in reality it's not really that small. It's pretty decent. Why do I have the Pirates of the Caribbean song stuck in my head? That is done. To set, I'm just taking my Fenty loose powder, which I only picked up recently, and nothing crazy here. We're just gonna set everywhere we put concealer, which in today's case is practically the whole face. Just had a pasta salad break and topped myself up. Okay, so we've set everything in place. I think I want to finish my eyes before I move on to the rest of my face. which is a little bit different for me, but new year, new me. Am I right? Ladies. I picked up these two styles. One is in Mommy and one is in Bae. Bae looks to be a little bit more, I wouldn't say natural, but they're not as long, which I am gravitating towards because I don't want to hide my cut crease. I am a savage, classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty. The more I look at it, the more I hate it, but let's just get these lashes on, shall we? My favorite mascara currently, the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. Oh, I also had so many ideas for my YouTube channel, right? Within the last few months, and so many ideas for my blog as well, but I just could not be fucked with any of it. So I'm giving myself a little bit of a week off next week just to enjoy some time at home. Maybe I'll go to the gym. Honestly, I would not be surprised if the people who worked at the gym forgot who I was, because I have not been there at all. Why have I just made this really difficult for myself? I know I fucked up. I just watched a TikTok 2020 throwback. So now I have all of the TikTok songs from 2020 stuck in my head. Isn't that cute? I'm just gonna take my Revolution glitter glue. How many times have you heard me say that? Paint that in the inner corner. I'm getting a bit tipsy, guys, not gonna lie. Step 1, highlighter. Sephora Collection Shimmer Illuminating Powder. Contour Makeup Forever S661, I think, maybe. Cheeks, forehead, double chin, blush, Tower 28, Magic Hour. I don't think I've used this on my channel yet, but I love it a lot. Maybe a second blush, Thin Lizzy. Maybe all of them. Let's just do it. Right on top. Drape that-ish. Setting spray again. Bronze. This is Revlon, I think. Don't really have a preference. Just want to match me tan. So down the neck. Bottom mascara. Sorry, you're not gonna have me in frame for that. Freckles. Freckles. I don't know if I'm loving this. I feel like I need more navy blue in my eyes because my outfit is navy blue. Or do I want to go for a bold lip? Like, I'm not really feeling a bold lip, but like, maybe it'll solve all my problems. No, I honestly think I want to go for like a really nude lip, like borderline foundation lips. Yeah, I think I want foundation lips. Maybe I do need a bit of glitter on the lid. I might do, instead of the glitter, I'm just going to take this blue taffy shade and just put that right in the center. No, I hate that. Oh, fuck. I hate that. Oh. Living in my own world. Didn't understand. that anything could happen. Dun, 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 dun. When you take a chance. Oh my god, I want to watch High School Musical. That's such a New Year's film. Mom, I'm gonna read my book on New Year's because I'm not like other girls. Okay, I'm gonna stop touching my eyeballs so don't ruin it. Very much porn star vibes right about now. My sister got this dildo. No, just kidding. My sister got the mermaid waver for Christmas. And in true younger sister tradition, it's in my room and I'm obsessed with it. So I think I'm gonna do that. Hair and makeup is all done. I tried to do glitter in my hair part, but it kind of just looks like I'm having a dandruff flare up. But anyways, I'm gonna show you my outfit. I literally almost burnt my boob off with that mermaid curler. So we got tits out for the girls and my pretty little thing dress. I bought this like 3 years ago and I'm honestly shocked it still fits me, but it is so flattering. Thank you for watching. That was my New Year's Eve get ready with me. I hope that you guys have a wonderful night. Nonetheless, we made it through 2020 without, and can't guarantee 2021 will be any better, but we can only cross our fingers. Goodbye.